Let's check out the Finger Zoo family.
I'm going into the jungle to see the wild tigers.
What can you see, Cherry? Oh, it's a cute baby tiger come to play. Oh, it's gonna be a tied-up tiger. Pull the end of the yarn, Cherry. Giraffe is so tall and cool. Are you going for tall ride, Pit? Ha ha. Giraffe's neck is so long it reaches so high. Almost into space. Crocodile has lots of teeth. Ew, but he hasn't cleaned them for a while, yuck. Brush them well until they shine. Wow, snappy sparkling teeth. They're dazzling. Monkey loves bananas best. But he shouldn't throw the peel on the floor, should he? Good catch, Carrot. Look, Monkey, Carrot's made you a banana belt. Cherry's so hot whilst watching the elephants. Elephant's hot too and trying to fan himself just like you, Cherry. Wow, a paddling pool. Elephant can shower us with a trunk of water. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 zoo animals we met today. Watch out, everyone. Elephant's too heavy up there. Hi, Farm Fingers. Let's meet some farm animal friends.
Little yellow duck swims on the pond.
Watch out, Penny. Duck wants a water splash fight. Ha ha. Where's Penny? Your Quacker's Penny. Ha ha. Pig likes rolling in mud. But Carrot wants a clean pig. Ha ha. Let's brush your pink skin back. I'll clean again. Chicken lays our eggs for breakfast time. Oh, look, a baby chick has hatched. Wow, Pit, what a big egg! It's starting to hatch. It's a cute baby owl. Kitty likes fishing to catch her supper. Have you caught a fish? A stinky old boot. Cherry, you've caught a fish! Here's your supper, Kitty. Cow gives us yummy creamy milk. Yeah, Pit's gonna make some ice cream with it, yum. Oops, the ice cream's falling like snow. Snow angel time. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The farmyard is fun with all our animal friends. Oops, Kitty wants chicken for dinner. Hi, Sea Finger family. Let's go to the ocean with them. Fish are all colors, sizes, and shapes. Wow, it's Mermaid Carrot. Huh? What's that? Oh no, the water's spilling out. Plug it with your tail, Carrot. Crabs walk side to side and have big snapping claws. Watch out for those claws, Pit. What's up? Uh-oh, swim fast, Pit. Whales are the largest animals in the sea. Don't be scared, Cherry. Most whales are friendly. This one wants to be your swimming buddy. Whale's blowhole is like a fountain, haha. Starfish have 5 arms but swim really slow. Cartwheeling Carrot looks like a starfish, doesn't she? Starfish thinks so too, haha. Shark has big, strong, shiny teeth. Sharks like eating lots of different food. That's why they're big and strong, because they like broccoli too. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Uh-oh, does Shark want Penny for lunch? Shark's stuck! Come on, kids, count the sea animals to help pull Shark out. Everybody pull! Heave-ho, we can do it! Yippee! He's free! Working together makes everything easier, doesn't it? Finger family fun, yeah!
Fun at the farm today, friends! Pit wants some creamy cow's milk. Cool cow costume, Pit. Oops. Are you okay, Pit? Where's your tail? Is it in the straw pile? Nope, that's a branch. Don't be sad. Let's go look for it. Pit, that's a feather. No, too curly. Don't pull horse's tail. Look, Pit, cow has it. Stick it back on. Yeah, now let's get some milk. Yummy. Oh, Penny, you've got a cute curly pigtail. Yikes. Penny, your tail is gone. Is it in the muddy puddle? Let's dig around and see. Penny, that's too deep. Is this my tail? No, Penny. Is it here? Have you got it? Look, Penny, pig has your tail. Carrot loves wearing her horse's tail. She's going for a fun horseback ride. Wow, so cool. She's a show jumper too. No, your tail is gone. Horse is gonna help you find it. Have you seen Carrot's tail, Pit? It's a horse tail. No, I haven't. No, Carrot, that's Scarecrow's arm. Is it here? Look, Carrot, Horse has found it. Yippee, I think Horse deserves a hug, don't you? Cherry's got a woolly tail. Oops, sheep's lost all its wool. Now sheep has the shivers. A warm and cozy cover. Oh no, I've lost my tail. Where's it gone? Look to see if it fell in the wool pile. I've lost my tail. Have you found it? No. Is this my tail? No, it isn't. Penny, have you found it? No, but look over there. Wow, super speedy. Uh-oh, where's it gonna land? Don't be scared, Cherry, the basement's safe. What's that? Pit, look. Blast it with light, Cherry. Grasshopper's catching a ride. Haha. He's gonna join his friends now. Who's driving the car? Kitty's playing a trick. Haha. Rose, your hat.
I'm extremely afraid.
Careful, Cactus. You're getting high up.
I need somebody's help, please.
Yikes.
Help me out.
Rose, Cactus needs help. He's scared. Stand on the rungs, Cactus. Yeah, he's got it. So cute. But now Squirrel's feeling cold. Good job, Cactus. Wow, play us a song, Penny. No, the strings broke. Lemon, don't laugh. That's not nice. Oops, now they've all twanged. Can you fix it, Cherry? Yeah, bongo drum to the beat. Shake maracas to the music. Hoorah! Show's over. Your turn, Lemon. Oh, Puppy wants ice cream. No, Blueberry, Puppy won't hurt you. Puppy is kind and gentle. He'd rather have a treat, Blueberry. That's the ones. Don't be scared and give him a biscuit, Blueberry. Haha, told you he was a good puppy, didn't I? But he doesn't like bad guys, though. Good boy, puppy. You scare him away. Puppy will protect and keep you safe. Uh-oh, looks like Lemon's up to mischief, doesn't it? Yikes! Cherry's rolling. He's a naughty sour lemon. His tricks aren't funny. Keep going, Cherry. Oh no, go away, Lemon. Hold on, Cherry, you'll fall. Oh dear. Lemon's a big bad bully. Snack time. Hey, give that back. That's Cherry's apple, not yours. Pit, Lemon took Cherry's apple. Yeah, friends share, don't they? Stop cheating and hurting people, Lemon. Slam dunk. Haha. Leave Pit alone. He's a popping pest. Is that rain? Ah, he's done it again. Watch out, Pit. Water bombs. That's why Lemon has no friends. It's much more fun playing nicely and being kind to others. Pit, Lemon's outside. That's what happens when you hurt others. Oops. Lemon's burst his tires. Good people help others, don't they? Whoa, that's a strong gust. Oh no, now Lemon's got it. Looks like he's learned his lesson. Yeah, friends are kind and help. We're at the zoo and choosing animal ears. Let's check out the animals. Penny, you've got matching elephant ears. Looks like the birds want some food too. Whoa, they're swarming for seed. No, my ears are gone. Can you see them? Where have my ears gone? I can't see them anywhere. Please help me. They're not here. Where are they? Please find them for me, Pit. Are these your ears? No, they're branches. What about these? No, oh no. Look, Penny, Bird has found them. Yeah, you've got your elephant ears back. Elephant is happy too. Wow, listen to lions roar. I've got lion ears. I'm a lion king. Take a photo of Lion King Pit, Penny. Haha. Oh no, there's a strong wind. Hold tight, kids. Can you see where your ears blew to? No, they're not here. Where have my ears gone? I need help to find them. Let's check out the ears on Penny's map. Don't cry, Pit. We'll find them. Are these them? No, no, no. Try on these. No, they're wrong. Look, Pit, Puppy wants to be a Lion King too. He's got your ears. It's a roaring success. You've got your lion ears back. Cherry looks just like a zebra, doesn't she? Try feeding Zebra, Cherry. Oh, Zebra thinks your ears are cute too. Yikes, Cherry, your zebra ears are gone. Come on, Cherry, let's go look for them. Maybe they're in the straw pile. Nope, try somewhere else. Wherever could they be? Can you help, Mom? Are these your ears, Cherry? Could these be them? Look, Cherry, Hedgehog has found your zebra ears. Thank you, Hedgehog, you brought my ears back. Say ears, Cherry, haha. I love coming to the zoo. I'm gonna be a monkey with my monkey ears on. Throw up the bananas for Monkey to catch. Oops, where are your ears? Oh no, they've gone. Where are they? Monkey, that's not nice. Carrot gave you a banana. Here, Monkey, take a banana and give Carrot her ears back. He's a mischievous monkey, isn't he? He wants to take but not give back, doesn't he? They're not Carrot's ears, they're Giraffe ears. Give Giraffe his ears back, Carrot. Giraffe has found your monkey ears. Yeah, you've got your ears again. Yippee, all the ears are back. Hey kids, look, a spaceship. A family of friendly aliens. No Pit. Uh-oh. Is baby alien in the bush? No, he's gone. Come on, kids, let's help find him. Ah, is that his arm? No, it's Caterpillar. Check it out, Pit. Oh no, he's missing. Oops. Cherry can't see anything. Someone help! Quick! Wow, air freeze! Baby alien is lost, kids. Have you seen him? Aha, up there. Careful, Cherry. Oh no, she's gonna fall. Wow, cool freeze, Mummy Alien. A bonus apple too, haha. Is that baby's tail? Ah, a snake! And it's hypnotizing Cherry. Mummy Alien knows how to charm the snake.
We are searching.
Look, Pit, is that him hiding?
Until we find
Ouch,
him
prickly.
and his
That's because it's cactus.
baby.
What's happening? Officer Pumpkin's ready for action.
Find you.
Is he here? Yikes, squirty splash. Is that baby alien? He's not in the toy pile. That's not a dog, is it? No, it's baby alien, yippee! Good job, Pit. But he's not the one who squirted Officer Pumpkin. Wow, super cool powers. Uh-huh, it was Naughty Lemon in disguise. Yuck! Oh no, what's wrong, Fishy? Yikes, someone's stealing the fish! Daddy Shark will rescue them. Baby Shark doesn't like it when Dad goes away. Our friends will play with you. Yeah, dress up time. Rockstar Baby Shark, haha. When Dad's away, you don't have to be lonely. Oopsie! Oh no, Cherry, that will remind him of Daddy Shark. Yes, a treasure hunt. Ah, a ghost! Baby Shark is brave just like his dad. Check what's under the sheet. It's only Octopus trying to scare us. Quick swim away. That's a big, scary anglerfish. Whew, we made it! Baby Shark's remembering how Daddy takes care of him. Come on, who can think of a different game? Lunchtime sandwich snacks. Hole in 1 and 2. Careful, kids. Seahorse is in a jam, haha. Yum, yum. Baby Shark likes his food, doesn't he? Oops, burp blast, haha. Baby Shark misses his dad, doesn't he? He'll be back soon, once he's finished his patrol. Careful with the net, Pit. Oh no, help! Pit's all caught up. Baby Shark to the rescue! Look, Dad's back! Up there, it's the bad guy who's been netting the sea animals. You'd better sail away. We won't let you steal any more fish. I'd swim fast if I were you. Good work, Shark Patrol. Yeah.